Guys, welcome back to another how to drive manual. This time, how to do hill starts.
Yep, so we're on a hill right now. So if I put a neutral with the jiggle and then get off everything, we're clearly rolling back. So some cars have a hill start assist, which I believe this car does. So if you're on a significant enough of a hill and you put it in gear and you get off the brake, the car will hold it for you. But I guess the car doesn't think it's that bad. So
it's not working right now, but I swear it happens.
The hill's not steep enough for the car to think that. So I'm going to teach you the real way, which is making sure no one's behind you, and putting it in first gear, and then you're going to have to quickly get off the brake and start slipping the clutch before the car starts rolling back too fast. So it's going to be a quick little thing. So I'm going to do it without the car in gear. If you can see down there, I'm going to go like that. That's basically the motion I'm about to do. So if I put it in gear and do the same thing, get off the brake, rev it up, and start slipping. And then now we're going up. And like the steeper the hill, the faster you're gonna have to be, and the more gas you're gonna have to give it. So yeah, try that out.
Yeah, that wraps up this how to drive part 4, 5. See ya in the next one.